Greetings. This is Mr. T's help video over using slides, video commentary, and study handouts. Now under lecture content down below, you'll see an outline and slide handouts which covers specific chapter contents that you need to study. There's also supplementary packets that are also useful. And then above you see the obvious video. The video provides commentary over all of the lecture slides. Greetings, this is Professor Torres. This is Chemistry 101. And I literally or explicitly go into detail on all the slides as well as any supplementary handouts. Here are the slides. They're all in PDF form. So very easy for you to download and manage on your computer, though you really should print them out. It's easier to study that way. And then here's this specific supplementary handout. Again, it's in PDF form, and then I also reference this inside the videos. Finally, there's the study handout. The study handouts in the boxes above explain what's going to be on a future quiz or exam. They also give you explicit questions or comments that you need to look at in order to properly prepare for the quiz or exam. So for example, in this specific one for the quizam, they have the comments where you have to memorize these specific ions, and then down below they give you sample questions. And these questions are taken from previous semesters. So if you can get down these questions, then you should be in good shape for any future quiz or exam. And then yes, there will be select answers to many of the questions for you to review. These same study handouts will also be used for use in future discussion boards as well. So you will need to go ahead and use a combination of all three of the slides, study handouts to practice with, and the video commentary as you go through each of these chemistry chapters during this course.